Yeah, first of all, log into the HR system and your account should be upgraded and you should have admin access in your account in order to do the shift adjustments. How you can check it is you can go here and you must click admin, and in addition to the normal modules you will have attendance and workflow, as I remember. So how we'll do this is go to attendance, click shift adjustments, then we'll select the current month, which should be blank because nothing was updated earlier. So it's first to 31st, and then our team is product operations, which is already kind of set up in place. Then click show, and it will show you all the employees that are under the current roster group. Then click all, then click next. It should bring up the whole roster for the month of May for everyone. So what we should do in order to update this with our current roster, we will export this template into an Excel. So to do that, you click all the employees and click export to Excel. Then you will get a new file that you can save. I have saved all of them in the same location. And if I go to showing folder, it will show all the uh, files that I have saved. If I take date modified, yeah, this is the one. So let's open it. You will see that it's all blank with the general shift applied to everyone. Yes. So once the file is open, you will see this button. Click it, or else you will not be able to paste anything. And then a little bit. So the employee list is kind of arranged here using the employee number. So we will not be using this because it will be difficult to kind of match this pattern or the order to our roster. So instead, what we will do is we will go to our roster and go to mail. And then before that, what I normally do is I'll go to one of the previous shifts that was updated. Let's say I take the April one. I will share this file with you guys, and then I copy the employee numbers and the names according to the roster order, and then update it here in the just template that we downloaded just now. So now this can be because someone left the team and that person is no longer in the list. You can double check it, but ideally what should happen is you can remove extra lines, and then you go to roster, copy from first. Sorry, this is the old one. You go to the May roster in your roster sheet and then copy from first to 31st for all employees. Then you go to the template that you just kind of fixed, and then so we can then we go here and paste the actual roster that we have in the system or in the Excel sheet that we follow every day. Then in order to see these blank things, I will make all the text black, and then you will see that some of the default values are not here, so those should be updated or else the roster will not take them properly. So once it's done, what we need to do is update the roster, the roster codes that we use on our own to the system formatting. That for that I have done this macro. I will show you how this is done later. So if I click run, what will happen is all the evening, morning, night, and the day offs will be changed according to the system defined roster codes. PO means product operations underscore, E means evening. Likewise, it's quite, very easy to understand. So once this done, we'll just save the file. Then we'll go to the HRIS system, and then instead of now export, we'll do an import. We'll choose the file from here. This is the one that was updated now. click open, click process. Yeah, when the file is processed, it will show all the roster, all the members of the team, and the roster is updated to the ones that we just uploaded. So once this is done, click this and you have to click submit. This will take like sometimes 1 minute, and then after some time it will give a message saying that the roster was submitted successfully. We'll wait for this message and I will keep the recording going so we'll know how long it takes for a normal roster upload. Yeah, so once it's done, you will get this message saying the shift adjustment selection submitted successfully. I had to pause the recording because taking like 1 minute. Yeah, so that's it. Now the roster is updated. You can double check by going here and clicking the show button with the same selection, and it will load the current roster for you. So if it's having all the roster codes properly in the system, we can confirm that the roster is uploaded. Yes, so all the earlier it was all general. Now the roster that we uploaded is applied to the system. Again, the order will be according to the employee number, not according to the roster sheet that we have. So always be mindful of it when you are doing any changes or anything, and always cross check with the name and the row. So for example, always Kamal will be in front and my one will be here. So my one is all general, and that is this. So I hope it's clear. Thanks.